Hi friends, hope you are good. Welcome back to your channel Bio Exam and Research Support by Archana. So do you want to qualify CSIR NET exam in your first attempt? That too while pursuing your post-graduation? If so, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you 9 such tips which will help you to clear CSIR NET exam in your very first attempt, and that too with a good rank. So stay tuned till end because I'm going to share 9 such tips. So tip number one is early planning, right? Early planning. So as soon as you enter your graduation and post-graduation, you have to plan your preparation. By doing so, you will have number of benefits. Number one, you will have more time to prepare for the exam, and you won't leave any topic that ye topic reh gaya and wo topic reh gaya. You will be able to complete all the 13 units. So for that, it is very important that you plan your work early, and there won't be any last minute rush, and everything will be covered perfectly, and you will have time to practice the question bank and the previous year questions. Tip number 2 is that get a question bank. So you have to buy a question bank, or you can download it from the web, in which at least 5-year question paper for CSIR NET exam is given, and that is a must, because in my opinion, question bank and the syllabus of any exam is the actual roadmap of success for that exam. Because if you know these two things well, then you can qualify that exam easily. So tip number 2 is get a question bank, download 5 years papers. If you get the solved ones, it is very good, but always rely on the good sources where you will get the correct answer. Now tip number 3 is procuring study material. So as soon as you have decided that you have to prepare for CSIR NET exam, then firstly you have to procure all the study materials. As you know that there are 13 units in CSIR exam, so you have to refer one book for each topic. Don't go for more than 2-3 books, because see, the syllabus or the content of books are more or less similar, and you don't have to spend a lot of time on just one topic, but actually it is the act of balance. Like if you balance the time and you complete the syllabus on time, then that is more beneficial. Read that particular topic again and again from one book, and that book should be of good quality, standard quality. You can just Google it, or you can watch my short video on the useful books for biotechnology exams, or you can just comment below. I will give you a full list of books on which is helpful for CSIR NET exam. So you can also refer some study guide provided by some renowned institutes, but don't depend on that solely, because for solving questions of CSIR standard, if you're just relying on those materials, you won't be able to answer some questions, because the questions are not straightforward most of the time. So you have to refer some books. Tip number 4 is my favorite and secret of my success, and that is syllabus mastery. So whenever you are writing any exam, or here as we are preparing for CSIR NET exam, then you have to analyze the syllabus of CSIR NET exam before you start the preparation. So for this particular thing, you can watch my syllabus mastery video. That is a very good video, and it will certainly help you, I'm sure about it. And for CSIR NET syllabus mastery, you have to watch the part 2 of this video, which I'm going to post tomorrow. So subscribe the channel to get more information. And now moving to the tip number 5. Tip number 5 is plan your study sessions. It is very important. So as you know that there are 13 units that you have to complete for CSIR NET exam. So what you have to do is you have to make a plan, a session plan for each topic. So for instance, if you have 6 month time to prepare for CSIR NET exam, then what you can do is study or complete 2 topics per month, and for that you have to make some action plan that these are the topics that I have to study in January or in February. So like that you can make a study plan and just stick to it, try to complete it. Now what is the tip number 6? Tip number 6 is maximizing the time for preparation. So what happens is that while we are doing our post-graduation or graduation, we get a lot of holidays. Sometimes it is winter break, summer break, or some holidays, or some common off, or some preparatory leaves, and also the time between one or the other class, and also sometimes the cancelled class. So these are the times, if you utilize that time, you will have a very good command over your CSIR syllabus, and you can complete that on time, and you will not have time to waste. For instance, we know that in college we all waste a lot of time on trivial things like going here and there and just going to canteen again and again, as we don't have any sense of commitment. So once that sense of commitment towards anything, in this case it is towards CSIR exam, if it is there, then we will try to steal those times and just try to focus more on the exam. So it is very important. Number 7 is giving mock tests. So give mock tests as many as you can. because it will help you to understand that what are your weak areas and what are your strong areas, and what kind of mistakes do you commit during exam like situations. So for that you can do two things before actual exam. So after all, what we want to know, that what are our weak areas, what are our strong areas, and what type of mistakes we commit. So if we know all these things, then it will help us to perform better in our actual examination. Tip number 8 is self-study. Self-study is very important, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on different coaching institutes. I'm not against any coaching institute, but this exam you can easily qualify if you have a proper plan, you understand the syllabus, you have the question bank, you know that what is the previous year question analysis trends, and if you know such things, then you can easily qualify this exam along with your post graduation without spending much money on the coaching institutes. For instance, I have qualified CSIR NET and multiple examinations like DBT, JRF, GATE, and several other exams through self-study only. And in CSIR NET, I have got All India rank of 32. So it was all possible with self-study, and that's why I'm saying you that make a proper plan and just study accordingly. You will surely qualify the exam. Tip number 9 and the last tip in this is you utilize the online resources. So whatever online resources you have, there are so many good content on CSIR NET or any exam is available on YouTube. You can just watch that. You can also check out our videos which we make, and you can interact with us on like in the comment section, or you can personally write or connect through LinkedIn. And so in this manner we can interact, and I would like to help you with your preparation. So all the best, and do watch the part 2 of this video, because in this I'm going to do the actual analysis of syllabus of CSIR exam, and I will also do the alignment with the like to check the overlapping syllabus for post graduation or graduation, so how you can easily complete the syllabus before time. So all these things I'm going to discuss tomorrow, so please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. All the best for you.